na to, pag magre-record ako, hindi na magsasalita si Tobe. Tapos pag turn off ko na yung, yung DJI ko, magsasalita na siya. Walang entertainment. Tapos ang hirap nga mag-vlog kasi nga nagna-navigate ka. Pero dahil ilang araw na nga namin naman itong ginagawa, medyo natututo na ako na nakakapag-vlog while navigating. Tsaka lalo yung Google Maps ko kasi, nagsasalita siya. So, ahead, nagsasabi na siya na instruction. Kasi nung ginagamit ko yung phone ni Tobe, ewan ko ba, hirap na hirap kami, hindi siya nagsasalita eh. Sa setting siguro. Medyo dilema ko yun eh, pag sobrang, tabing-tabi sa'yo yung mga malalaking truck, nakakatakot ba? Alam mo yun, nakaka-nervous ng slide. Siyempre, dahil hindi naman kami, totoong vlogger, for the sake of, memories, kaya ako ito ginagawa. So, hindi naman natin alam kung ano yung mga yan. Tingnan nyo na lang. I-google nyo na lang, okay? Saan tayo? Here. Horizon. So, eto na kami. Paakyat na kami sa, sa ferry. So, eto na. Nasa loob na kami ng barko. Ang ganda. Ang ganda naman. Ano kayong binibili nun? Parang cafeteria lounge. Bilihan ng mga sandwiches. Ang ganda. Hi. Try buying. Kinay. Binilang pala ako ng tayo. Nasaan? Hello. So, we are now on board. And we have our hotdog sandwich. My Aperol Spritz. And my driver. Now we reach Helsingør in Denmark. We just get down from the ferry. Velkommen til Danmark. Now we are checking in Rugby to ferry going to Germany. So we now going up to the ferry. Fairness, ang daming tao. Tingnan nyo. Diba, ang daming tao. Punta tayo sa taas. Ano kayo meron doon? So, nandito ako sa taas ng boat, kaya lang medyo mahangin. Sana naririnig nyo ako. Diba? Balik na ako. Ang laki pala ng boat. Ano ba yan? Mahangin sa labas. Tignan nyo yung ayun o. Kaya lang mainit dito sa taas. Ayan yung surrounding. And now we officially entered Germany. Too hot. It's 31 degrees. Hindi ko nga napansin na yung video ko is naka-slow mo. So, paano na nga yun? O, ito na. Ulitin ko na lang. Time check is kanina, 16:22 yun. Nakakalapag lang namin ng kabababa lang namin ng ferry. So, from Rugby, Denmark, and wawit kami papuntang what's the name of that? Puttgarden in Germany. So ngayon, ang ini-aim namin na puntahan ay Lübeck. Yun yung pinakamalapit na city from the ferry station. Tapos maghahanap kami doon ng place na mapag sleepover namin. So we are now approaching the centrum of Lübeck. Look at that church or whatever. I don't know what's that. Is it a gate? Looks like a church. Go, love. Go, go, go. Let's go.
In 500 meters, turn left onto Wallstrasse.
I don't know how I'll explain this, but we are just driving around looking for a hotel to stay. So this is how it looks like. Look, there's both sides. They are allowed to park. And those are some buildings. Some So, ito na. Nakapag-check-in na kami. Ito na yung, ano namin, hotel. Tapos, ito yung view namin. O, diba? Okay lang naman. 83 euros for this room. Look at this. I don't know what it's called, but we are in the city center of Lübeck. Hey.
I want to be here.
Okay. Ayan na nga. So, nakapag-check-in na nga kami. So, ngayon, ba't parang ang lapit? Kapag-check-in na kami, ngayon maglalakad-lakad na kami dito sa city center ng Lübeck. Ay, ang ganda. Tignan mo. Uy, shh. Muntik pa nga masagasaan, no? So, pagkatapos namin kumain ng dinner, maglalakad na kami ngayon sa city center. Ayun lang, wala naman ako masabi. Sino kaya yun? Ang pogi, oh. Pogi. Tingnan nyo to kung gaano ka-amazing. Ang taas. Hello, I'm an influencer, don't you know? Uy. Ah, it's a police station. Hold on. This is a police station in Lübeck. Good morning. So it's 10 a.m. here. We just woke up and I just want to share how terrible our experience was. As you can see here outside, now it's raining, but our window was open and our view was next to the road, and that is the bus station. So ayun na nga, ang hirap makatulog kasi sobrang init. So kailangan namin buksan yung bintana. Pero ayun na nga, dahil by the road kami, so lahat ng sasakyan na dumadaan is naririnig namin. Horrible. As in. Ang eksena naman kasi, kahapon, pagdating namin dito sa Lübeck, nag-walking lang kami dito. As in, wala naman talaga kaming hotel reservation or something. So, kung ano lang yung unang nakita ni Toby sa Google Maps, dun na, nag-walking in, tapos, wala nang ano-ano, tanong lang ng presyo, tapos, ayun na, dito na. Which is, it cost us 83 euros pa nga. So now we're back on the road. Umalis na kami ng Lübeck. We are aiming to go directly to Ghent. So dadaanan na lang namin ang Hamburg, Netherlands, tapos diretso na ng Belgium. UK? Are you guys from the UK? So, stopover kami dito para magpagas. Kasi nakita ko, according to Google, mas mura yung gas dito sa Germany kesa sa Belgium. So, ayan. Pagas muna kami dito, tapos diretso na ng Belgium. Dadaan lang kami ng Netherlands, pero hindi na kami mag-stay doon. So, ayun na nga, na-stuck kami ng halos isang oras dun sa traffic na yon na may aksidente na hindi maintindihan ko ano nangyari. Okay, now resting, lunch break. We are having this pasta that we bought from Lübeck train station. Hi, sir. Maybe you can turn that off. Your pasta looks amazing. And this is mine.
Smashing.
Yeah, smashing lunch break. And this is the surrounding. We have some birds singing for us. Now we are in Netherlands. Diba? I saw the... I'm recording. Ayun na nga, officially nakalabas na kami ng Germany. So we are approaching the border of Netherlands. Ayun, time check is what? It's 5:38 p.m. Mahaba-habang biyahe yun, ha. Umalis kami ng Lübeck kanina mga 11 a.m. Tapos ngayon, ayan. Ngayon pa lang kami nakalagpas ng Germany. Tapos diretso na kami sa Ghent. Alright, we are now walking in the vlogging now, no? Vlogger, you know? Vlogger nga ni. Ayan na, naglalakad na kami dito sa Ghent. Nakapag-check out na kami sa hotel. Tapos, iniwanan lang namin yung luggage namin sa parking area. Ayan na, o diba? Ang ganda. Ang dami na ng tao. Anong oras na? Ooh. Ayan lang, lakad-lakad lang kami. Sundan nyo lang kami. Nahihirapan akong i-maneuver tong ano ko, DJI ko. Kasi ang tagal ko nang hindi nagamit. Sana hindi siya malikot na panoorin. Tignan nyo, kung nakikita nyo lang yung mga nakikita namin. Andito na kami sa tourist area. Ooh, Himalaya, Oksong. Back into the road. Time check 14:16. We just left again. Now we are heading to Brussels to meet Mr. Guiton. Oh, Napoleon, Liana Park. This is the Belgium, La France countryside. Dahil stress ako sa pag-navigate, nagkandaligaw-ligaw na nga. So, hindi ko nakuhanan yung mga magagandang magagandang view dito sa bandang countryside ng Waterloo. So yeah, just a bit of an update. We just left Gaetan's house in the countryside. Now we are heading to Derby or Durbo, boy. I don't know whatsoever. It's just a bit outside of Brussels. And time check is 18:10 or 6:10 p.m. Hello, Baka. It seems like there's no people. Good morning. Today is Wednesday and this is our third hotel now. Ang ganda. We are in Durboy, Belgium. So just a recap, we stayed for a night in Liebeck, Germany, and then one night again in Ghent, Belgium, and now we are in Durboy, Belgium. So kumpara dun sa ibang hotel, ito ay ang ganda, the best. Tingnan nyo naman, separate yung shower sa toilet. Tapos, sandali. Tapos, ayan yung bed. Tapos, merong malaking bathtub. Good morning. Tapos, coffee maker. Tapos, ito yung sink. Tapos, ayan yung salamin. Ganyan. Diba? Konting room tour. Kaya lang, yung design parang hindi nakakatuwa masyado. Kasi ito yung toilet, tapos lalabas ka, tapos doon ka maghuhugas ng kamay. So, ayun na nga, nakaligo na kaming dalawa. Alas 10 na. Mag-check out na kami directly. Tapos magbe-breakfast. Tapos we are heading to probably in Luxembourg or in France. So, ito yung palabas ng hotel namin. Ito yung hotel. Entry hotel. Ganyan siya. Saint Amour. Medyo may pagka-weird kasi kailangan namin mag-check-in dun sa kabilang hotel. Parang sister company niya to. In fairness, maganda naman kasi 110 euros siya. Without breakfast nga lang. Oh, tingnan mo naman tong Derby. Napaka-cozy niya. Ang liit-liit. Very good. So, eto siya. Kailangan na namin maghanap ng breakfast. Saan na nga yun? Tsaka kami nanood ng football kagabi. So, ayun nga. Pagdating namin dito sa hotel na, sa place na to kagabi, diretso nanood ng football, Norway versus Cote d'Ivoire. And may Norwegian kaming mga nakita. Tapos after nun, ang sumunod naman is Sweden versus France. So alam nyo na nga kung sino nanalo. Ayan yung hotel, oh. Yan yung ganda sana kung diyan kami nag-check-in. Kaya lang masyadong mahal, 200 something. Tapos yung mga ibang sasakyan dito, ano mga luxury dito sa namin. Kasama dito yung Audi, Porsche, tapos wait lang, check out namin. Hello! Parang luxury itong hotel na to. Tingnan mo yung lobby area. So ayun, nakapag-almusal na kami. Ngayon maglalakad-lakad na lang kami dito sa Derby town or city. Hanggang ngayon di ko pa rin ma-pronounce kung anong tama ba. Derby, Derboy. Comment on the right on the comment section. So ayan, tourist mode na muna kami dito. Nag-check out kami ng 10, tapos breakfast. Tapos lakad-lakad lang dito. Tapos mamaya, back in the road na naman kami. Napaka-cozy dito. Tingnan nyo. Uy. Hello. Ganda nung nasa likuran ko. Ay, ang cozy naman. Ang ganda naman itong restaurant dito sa may bandang corner. Tapos dyan sa likod ko, yung main road. Don't you think? That's the main road, right? Yeah. Cool! Look at that. Ay. It's a very nice corner. Medyo nakakatakot naman dito. Ang bilis naman itong mga sasakyan na to. Maybe this is the entrance of the... Welcome to Derby. Yeah, that's probably the entrance. We don't know. This is our first time here. Yun naman yan, oh. Diba? Ilalagay ko na lang sa comment section or ilalagay ko na lang sa video kung anong tawag dyan sa mga castle na yan kasi hindi ko naman alam. Don't open your mouth too much. Loves! Winka! Hello! Do you want to take this train? Ang ganda niya. Oh, tignan mo. Tignan mo, tignan mo. Alright, here we are again, back in the road. 12 p.m. at the moment. And we just left Turboy. And we are heading to Bouillon. It's another town here in Belgium. I think we're gonna have a small tour there. And then we don't know yet. Again, we haven't decided where to go next. Ang hirap mag-vlog ng ikaw yung navigator. Kasi kailangan mag-concentrate dun sa Google Maps. Kasi once na magkaroon ka ng, ng pagkakamali, kailangan mo mag-detour ulit ng mahaba-haba. Tapos, you will have a bit of shouting with each other. So, it's not good. I think vlogging is not, it's not applicable or it's not advisable for road tripping. Especially pag dalawa lang kayo. Tapos itong road na suggested ng Google Maps, ang daming mga runabout, first exit, second exit, yung mga ganun ba, ang hirap i-navigate. Hindi siya straight road na, alam mo yun, na continuous lang na few kilometers. Ito hindi, every 7 kilometers, kailangan mo mag-runabout. Tapos, this is so hard. Turn right.
Exit the roundabout onto Route de Marque. Continue on N86 for 1 kilometer.
Buti na lang si Google Map ay magandang magbigay ng instruction. Showing you a little bit of this city na dinadaanan namin na hindi ko alam kung nasa na to. Kasi nga hindi makapag-focus. Ang dami naming nadadaan ng mga ganitong lugar. Kaya lang hindi ko ma-vlog kasi nga alam nyo na paulit-ulit na lang ako. Another small town. Tingnan niyo yung mga bahay. Itsura. It says here, Buyong 899. So,
Milk cows.
ang daming mga baka. Baka sakali. Baka, hello! These are the muscular ones. Grabe mga muscles.
Baby muscle.
Alright, feeling the tank break. We are 23 minutes away from the destination. And the price is 1.79 something. Alright, 3 minutes to our destination. Time check, it's 13:25. Tama lang, medyo mainit. It's 24 degrees. So ito na yung
In 300 meters, enter the roundabout.
yan. So, andito na kami. Nakarating na kami sa Buyong. Ano yun? Tumutulog na yun. Simbahan yata. Ang ganda oh. Diba? Nagpark lang kami dito. Tapos, mag-iikot. And then, ay wait lang. Kailangan kong i-follow si Tobe. Chine-check niya yung kung kailangan namin mag-park or something. Or magbayad ng parking. No information?
Yes, they park.
Asa? Maybe it's free. Okay, so ganito yung itsura. Hi!
Hello.
Hello! Ang cute nitong hotel na to, oh. Tingnan nyo. Tapos ayun, may castle doon. Sana? Tapos ito yung river. Ayan, ganyan. It's been like 2 years and
No tickets.
alright. Walking here in the town of Buyong or city.
Bouillon.
I don't know.
No, bouillon.
Love, show them your ice cream. Because he wants ice cream. I want beer.
I don't want that.
No, actually, we just bought some ice cream because we want to ask about the parking. And then the girl said who were in the shop like 4 years, she said.
Yeah.
That she never seen anyone who had a ticket. So it means it's completely free to park, which is good, you know.
Maybe she's framing us.
Maybe. Okay, a bit of a show. In fairness, kakarating pa lang namin dito. And we think that, I think, to be honest, I think that this place is better than the previous one that we've been, the Durboy. It's quite bigger compared to that place. So maybe we will stay here for a night. We don't know. Just maybe, baby. Just following the leader. Follow the leader. So ito na nga, lunch break kami dito sa Buyong and having spare ribs, tapos itong local beer na Godefroy in order ko. Hindi ko alam na 6.8% pala siya, but it's okay kasi hindi naman ako yung magdadrive, diba? Yung sa'yo, oo. I was filming and I heard something. This is our setup at the moment. So dahil nga sa sobrang ganda nitong view namin, tsaka ng hotel namin, nag-decide kami na bumili na lang ng drinks. Tapos dito na lang kami, 'di ba? Enjoy namin yung yung hotel. And I think it was a good decision. Kasi tingnan mo naman 'to, as in magnifico ang view. I mean, I think it's the best decision to stay here. Kesa naman umupo kami sa restaurant, tapos yun, mag-order ng drinks. Tapos, ang i-expect mo lang yung view din. So, why not here na lang, 'di ba? So, ito yung bathroom namin. Tapos, o, 'di ba? Ito rin yung view namin. Ang ganda. Good morning. Today is Thursday, 10 o'clock. So, update lang. That's the hotel that we stayed in. And we're moving again. I think we are staying in Gaetan's place. So, we are going back to Brussels.